Hi guys, welcome back to F Stand Reacts, and it's time for Barcelona's Bayern Munich. Obviously, we are doing this reaction video because the Barca's Bayern game is also coming up in the Champions League quarterfinals, which will be a huge game. It will be a huge game. I think that game will be, I think it will be 40-60 game in favor of Bayern Munich. I think you can go even to 45-55 games because I actually believe Barcelona have a chance. People are, just don't respect Barcelona. To be honest, I don't understand why, because they have the quality. They are not delivering it. I accept that, but they have the enough quality. But they have enough quality. They have Messi, man. They have fucking Messi. So I don't think so that you can rule out Barcelona ever if you have Messi, man. Messi can do amazing stuff just like he did in this game, man. And the funny thing was, in this game, I was watching this game, but till halftime, and there was no goal. So I was like, okay, let's just sleep because obviously the matches are late in India, so that's why, man. Okay, without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. Obviously, the link of the video will be down in the description. Also, guys, I have a channel, football related channel, where I do match preview. I'll be doing the match preview of Barcelona, Bayern Munich as well. I do watch alongs as well, live stream watch alongs. So if you're interested in that, the link of my main channel will be in the description. Also, the name of the channel is Football Stand, guys. And now let's get into the video now. It was that time. It was Luis Enrique versus Pep Guardiola, man.
Emphasize the quality at the disposal of Schweinsteiger's actually pushing on towards
it was an amazing game, man. It was an amazing game. Seriously, a huge game, and there was no goals in the first half, which is bad because I watched the first half live, and there was no goals. And yeah, at that time, I had exams as well. Fuck, man, I missed the best part, bro. I missed the best part. I think this was the game in which one second. This was the game in which Boateng got destroyed. Yeah, they were trash talking and he just destroyed them. Okay, so I had a chance. But Neuer, back then Neuer was amazing. Back then Neuer was crazy, bro. Just like De Gea right now, man. Like not De Gea right now, but yeah, like just like De Gea, was great. I was amazing, 2 years ago. Neuer at that point of time was fucking amazing, man. Even Neymar, man. Barcelona fan must be, missing Neymar. And they are missing Neymar. They are missing Neymar, man.
Under that challenge and the one before, as it comes across,
I mean, I have to say that up till that point as well, Barcelona were playing amazing. Were playing better, I have to say.
Coming too often for Lewandowski.
Let's see if Lewandowski can do the magic this time, man. He's having the best season of his life, man. Messi with ball. Oh.
In the end, you could say it was neither one thing or the other, but it was superb to watch.
Messi is a great player. I just think when Messi and Ronaldo leaves, man, it will leave a huge void, man, for sure. And I think then it will be Neymar or Mbappe, but nobody can replace those two kids. So
close to Barcelona making the first breakthrough in the semi-final.
I mean, there has been many change in the team for both the teams. Barcelona maybe Neymar, but I don't remember any other change in a big player at least, bro. Not many changes in the big players. Like Busquets are still playing. Same for Bayern Munich. Like obviously Gnabry and Koeman is there, but Lewandowski is there, Müller is there, Boateng is there, Neuer is there. They have their pillars as well right now.
Going to take him on here. He does. Can Lewandowski knock it down to him? Or he takes it down.
It's a good touch. This was a great take, bro. Great tack. Oh god. Oh, Dani Alves, man. Dani Alves is also there, bro. Dani Alves is amazing, man. Dani Alves is amazing. I think he's playing in Brazil right now, but he is great, man.
Suarez, Messi.
Neymar, Suarez, Messi. Shit, I still remember, man. Like whenever Barca are playing, I'm a Manchester United fan, guys. I'm a Manchester fan. Whenever Barca was playing, obviously we didn't play against them, but whenever I thought, if you play against Barcelona, we're gonna destroy it. But yeah, I think we played them in friendlies and we won, which was surprising. I think it was 3-1 victory for us. But yeah, only Suarez was playing.
The shot if they wanted to, but I think he thought that maybe going
I
away
mean,
from goal.
it can be a yellow card. This could be this. Yeah, this was a yellow card.
Alves in a bit of trouble. Just slip it through as Piqué. So here goes Xavi Alonso.
I mean, Ter Stegen as well. I mean, they are great. Two great teams, so. Good pass. The problem with Muller is he doesn't have pace, man. His positioning is weird, but his pace is not there. Messi magic is coming on. I think in 20 minutes, I think last the 3 goals of the game were scored in last 20 minutes. I think that was the case.
Neymar. Messi. He can't defend against that.
I mean, just see the game, man. It was totally dominated by Barcelona. Oh.
That might lead to an advantage for the set. And Rakitic from Neymar. Can he find a way through here?
Good job.
Rafinha's in trouble. He couldn't go close to Neymar, so just take it round him. He just cuts back inside onto that right foot, leaning back as he tries. He hadn't developed, had he? Physically, he looked a little bit.
We're only 5 minutes away then.
Moving.
This Neymar is crying, man. I remember this, man. I mean, he's still crying, man. That's the bad thing about Neymar, man. I love Neymar. I actually love Neymar. He is amazing. But then his attitude is bad. His attitude is bad. If he improves his attitude, he will be the top 3 players for sure. I mean, the quality the guy has. Oh. Just look at this goal, man. Beating Neuer in the near post. Beating Neuer near post, man. Just look at this goal as well. Ah, he is great, man. I mean, obviously, I have to say it was a great goal. But a poor goalkeeping from Neuer. Nah, not a poor goalkeeping, but yeah. This is a classic Messi goal, you know, not the classic Messi goal, you know. He usually goes to the top curler, but nah, cutting, go inside, a left foot shot and goal.
Well, the crowd are bowing for him. The atmosphere is incredible, and he's got the goal. Bayern Munich, they've been creeping up on them. You just said it in the last couple of minutes. They bow to the master.
Here he is again.
I remember this goal. I'm sorry, guys. I remember this goal, man. Oh my god, look at Boateng, bro. And the funny thing is, after this goal, everyone just destroyed Boateng. And I actually feel bad for the guy because he was not that bad. He was good in the whole game. And this thing can actually happen to anyone. Anyone, bro. He was the best defender at that point of time. But if someone... And then a chip as well. The calmness to the guy, man. Chip, bro. Oh my god. Chip to finish it, bro. Actually destroyed Bayern. His girlfriend. It's wife now.
Incredible. It's incredible.
Wow.
He took us to a place earlier on in the season, the Manchester City match, and he has done in this last 5 minutes.
I mean, to be honest, I have to say that, okay.
They are really in trouble. Here's Suarez, difficult angle.
I don't remember the last goal, to be honest. I remember these 2 goals. I remember these 2 goals, but last goal, I don't remember that. I don't remember the last goal. But yeah, it was a Messi magic, bro. It was Messi magic, bro. Oh, it was in dying minutes.
To make it 3-0.
And yeah, he just destroyed it. Yeah, he destroyed Bayern, bro. With this goal, the tie was over. The tie was over. Look at Pep Guardiola. I love it, to be honest, guys. Seriously, man. Because the thing is, since moving away from Barcelona, Pep have never won anything in Champions League, bro. Which is good. Oh my god, which shows how great of a team, Barcelona were under Pep. Yeah, they were amazing. Pep is still amazing, but yeah, I don't know why he left Barcelona, man. Seriously. Oh my god, this game was amazing, bro. This game was amazing. And yeah, guys, if there's any video that you want me to react to, give me the link in the comment section, guys. I will definitely check it out. Obviously, guys, I have a football channel, guys, so please do check that out as well. In the link of that video of the channel will be also in the description. And yeah, that's it for this video. To be honest, it was a great game, man. It was definitely a great game, and Messi was the man of the match without a doubt, man. And also, guys, yeah, Bayern is coming on the Champions League. Tell me your predictions about that game in the description. Also, on my main channel, it's Football Stand. I am doing a match preview of Barcelona vs Bayern, where I'll be giving my prediction of the game, where I'll be making, what are the predicted lines of both the teams, and what will be the scoreline, what will be the tactics used by both the teams. So guys, if you're interested in that, check that video as well. I'll be dropping it, after one day, maybe after one day of dropping this video. So yeah, do check that out, guys. And yeah, goodbye guys, and take care.